So tell me your name and who you're researching.
My name is Sam, and I'm researching on Tom Brady.
Why did you choose to research Tom Brady?
Well, ever since I started liking football, I like the Patriots, and he's my favorite player on the Patriots, so I just decided to do it on him.
Okay, and so what are you working on right now?
Making what my trifold is going to look like.
Oh, okay. And so what is your trifold going to be? Is that like your final project?
Yeah,
And so what are you going to make sure you have on your trifold?
all of what my big topics are besides Tom Brady, like what I'm learning about on Tom Brady.
So what are your big topics?
How can I learn from him? What does it take to be a good quarterback? Super Bowls and interesting facts.
So what do you think you're learning about in this project?
Well, really just about him.
And do you like him more, knowing more about him, or do you like him the same?
I
Or
like him
less?
more.
You like him
I just kind of like him the same.
the same?
Actually,
Okay. Who are you going to root for in the Super Bowl?
the Panthers.
Okay. Thanks.